Well, today we're covering, rehearsing the Romatelli and the other pieces commissioned for the concert. So really just trying to get to grips with what the scores say and how we as instrumentalists can do that as best as possible. Well, it actually is a classical ensemble and there are classical instruments involved. It's just what you're hearing is not actually classical techniques. So we're being asked to think about the instrument in a very different way. And what you're hearing in rehearsal is more, I think, more of a kind of painting of sorts with sound and creating different types of colours and textures. So it's really a live experience, and everybody individualistically is trying to contribute something to the broader picture.
I think one of the most curious or interesting is the Romatelli, involving electric bass with a lot of effects, pedals, mainly kind of things you would normally find cropping up with electric guitars, wah-wah, bottleneck, things that never really you never really encounter as an electric bass player. It's not what you would describe as conventional writing or conventional kind of soundscape. It's a whole different kind of area. But yeah, interesting. And the subject, I think that if I'm correct, the subject of the material is supposed to denote a very bad acid trip, and so I think he's getting pretty close.